Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gesture for your earbuds Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. Go to device settings and then click at the system at the middle top. And in the third line we have tab control, so we can change it. Click the settings icon and we can change it to another preset. So it have presets here and you can't add something on double tap, you can just add a preset what have something in a double tap. And for the left earbud I wanna volume control, so I select it and then click done, and as you can see it changed. But I can't click on it and change to what I want. And let's go to the right one, it's the same, click at the function, and I wanna select a song, but you can change something else, there's a lot of options here. And I just click at the select song. And what the most important is to click done right now to save these presets. So click done, and right now, as you can see, it changed to this preset what I choose. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!